Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone with a Marantz UD8004 universal displayer that might be experiencing playback issues. This is the replacement optical laser lens head specifically designed for that model. When a player starts having trouble reading discs, especially Blu-rays, DVDs, or even CDs, the laser lens is often the culprit. This particular replacement part is highlighted as being 100% brand new, which is essential because a used or refurbished lens might not offer reliable performance. It's also described as high quality, which is paramount for a player like the UD8004, known for its audio and video fidelity. A poor quality lens can degrade the picture and sound. The fact that it's high quality suggests it should restore the player's ability to read discs accurately and quickly, bringing it back to its original performance level. Another key piece of information provided is the 60-day warranty. This offers a level of assurance for the buyer. If the lens doesn't function correctly upon installation or fails within that 2-month period, there's recourse. This warranty adds confidence, especially when dealing with internal components of sensitive electronics. For owners of the Marantz UD8004, a player that was a significant investment, finding a reliable replacement part is vital to extending its lifespan. Rather than discarding the entire unit, replacing the laser lens can be a cost-effective solution. This specific lens head is presented as a direct fit, designed to integrate seamlessly. Its brand new status means you're not inheriting potential wear and tear from a previous unit. The high quality ensures that the player will not only read discs again, but do so with the precision required for high-definition video and high-resolution audio formats that the UD8004 handles. Ultimately, for anyone facing playback problems with their Marantz UD8004, this replacement optical laser lens head appears to be a promising option, offering the necessary quality, newness, and a warranty for peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.